Now, if I was a shark that was being controlled that could magically teleport from the left-hand side of the screen to the right-hand side of the screen and back again at will, I think I'd be pretty hungry right now. So let's get with this first little fish so we can have some dinner. We need to create a new sprite for it. Under animals, I'm sure we can find a picture of a fish. Oh, there's a few to choose from. I'm going to choose him. Yeah. Again, an automatic save. Brilliant. So, this costume of this fish is just the one of it. And I still have a script for it, so I can still move it around. I can still add events. But first, let's shrink it, because there is no way our shark's going to eat a fish that's bigger than it. They'll probably have a go. Let's go for a nice smaller fish. Okay. So what do we want to code it to do? I kind of want it to just swim from left to right and kind of use our teleportation trick, I think, with a slight twist. So forever, this fish is going to swim around the ocean. It's going to start in a position on the left hand side because he's facing right and swim across to the right hand side. So I want it to forever change its X by 10. Let's try it. Let's just press play and see what it does. Oh, that's a bit fast. That is a very fast fish. Let's give it a little weight. Not as big as the shark's one. Let's try it. See if this will slow it down a bit. And there are two ways of slowing it down. They're adding a weight which makes it pause between each change X by 10. So it's kind of giving it a little moment to just have a little tiny break. Or there's the change the value of 10. So instead of doing 10 moves in one jump, it just does 5. Let's try this one. Oh, that's better. I think I can control the shark enough to catch him now. So I might not do the weight, it was kind of juddering a little bit. It might be different on yours, but for my recording, it doesn't look good. So my little fish swims from one side of the screen to the other. But it doesn't really have a starting point, and it doesn't really reset itself, because I'm pretty sure if all the fish just gathered on the right hand side, that's where my shark would stay. So if, at any point, this little fishy has a position, we've done it before, greater than, it looks about 240, 230. If its X position is greater than 230, let's try this one to begin with, then we want to set its X position to be more on the left hand side of the screen, which as we know is in the negatives. So let's try minus 230 and add it into the forever loop. So it's going to change its X by 5, it's already started working. Yeah. But again, if that was correct, our shark would surely learn the pattern. Oh wait. Oh, that's not nice. It's just swimming past him. He's opening his mouth and everything. Oh man. How do we get it to randomize? How do we get it to eat the fish? I guess those two things are for our next video.